Hi friends, Red and Ed here from the Red and Ed Show, and today we are going to be telling you about the differences in our tarp materials.
We have basically three types of tarps we have. We have our super duty tarps, which is what you see on most of the grain trailers that are out there. We have our diamond core tarps, which is a higher abrasion resistant material.
We also have the distiller's grain tarps, which are used when hauling byproducts from the ethanol plant.
And we have our express tarps. The express tarps are pre-made tarps. They're part numbered. They just come in certain sizes, but they're available for immediate shipment. You call before noon, they get shipped out the same day.
All of Shur-Co's tarps are tested for tear strength, abrasion resistance, and
cold flexibility.
Do you have a certain material that you prefer on your trailers?
You'll be all right, Red.
If you have a certain material that you like to use on your trailers, let us know below.
And thank you for watching.